Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Following that, scroll down to Access Passwords section. Over here. Then just tap on My Passwords and tap on the one that you wish to get rid of. Finally, scroll all the way down. Tap on Delete Password at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. If you wish to remove it from the bin as well, click on Recently Deleted at the top. Click on your password and hit Delete Password under Recover at the bottom. Lastly, choose Delete Password one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!